What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Gator back with another vlog. Yes, sir. Today, I went ahead and washed this thing up. We gonna be headed to that third Sunday car meet. Y'all know about that third Sunday car meet. If y'all been subscribed to the channel, y'all seen me go. Last month was my first time going to the car meet in this vehicle, and it had no rims on it at all. No rims, no steering wheel. So today, all the car club guys will be seeing the wheels on and the steering wheel for the first time. And if y'all are new to this channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. It's free, man. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free. Hit the like button. It's free. Comment if you got any questions about anything you see on this Monte Carlo SS, and I will inform you and let you know. If I don't, I'll try to send you to whoever I went to and got it done at, And make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all be notified when I'm dropping these vlogs, you did? This thing looking good. I just cleaned it up at the other house. And look, I knew that was gonna happen. Already. Already. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead and put that snippet in from me cleaning it at the other house in here now. Had to give her a quick bath. She had all them damn bugs on. I still gotta get a couple of lit spots out. And on the lights, I'm gonna hit that. But had to clean off on this Sunday. I don't know if nobody open on that side of Baton Rouge what I'm going on. So I hit her before I left the house. Got it all cleaned up. Hopefully she say it's clean till I make it on the other side. God. That's my first time washing it since I put the wheels on. Golly. Golly. So yeah, I got that thing looking real good. So yeah, we finna head to this car meet. Man, I'm loving it over here at the new house. If y'all haven't looked at that vlog or viewed it yet, go tap in, scroll down and view that vlog. The new house, Me and my wife already discussing about building a metal shop back here soon for some vehicles that'll fit like 4 to 6 vehicles. And all this mine all the way to the back where you see those dead, whatever those is. I say grass, but I don't know exactly what it is, but yeah. So that garage will be getting built. Yes, sir. This thing, that steering wheel tough. But I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I'm finna go ahead and get situated because it's like 2:40. The car meet starts from 3 to 5. And we finna go ahead and head over there. So y'all stay tuned. Man, this car really told them balls, man. This car really told them. Told them balls, man. Like it's nothing, for real. Steering wheel shaking just a little bit. I still gotta go get an alignment since I put the wheels on. But man, this thing told them balls. Like it's nothing, like a dog. And this ain't nothing but a 305 high output. I ain't changing it till it broke out, I promise you. That's the thing that's on the list. Oh yeah. This thing nice. What's going on? He say 680 to the tire. That's a lot. That's what he said. That's a lot. That's a lot.
How you control that power? Oh, G, this one yours right here?
Oh, yeah.
Man, you was like, hey, what's that motherfucker rapper name? T. Grizzly.
Oh, man. Oh. Everybody be saying that, bro. Just made it by L shop from the car meet. Yes, sir. It went good. They had some stuff out there. Finna go ahead and close this video out. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. It's free, baby. Why not hit it? It's free. Hit the like button. It's free. Make sure y'all comment, hit that share with a friend. You know what I'm talking about? But I don't know, for my new subscribers, this is something L fixing up. I'm gonna go take y'all on a little tour before I all the way close it out. L shot. What year this is here? 93. He got it about a month or two ago. He already got fenders for it, hood for it, and he already did some body work, as you could tell, on the back quarters or whatever. But yeah, he got this. What year this gold truck is?
This is 89.
89. Side wheelbase, right?
Step side.
Step side. I don't know too much about trucks, cause step side. And if you let me tell it, it's for sale. He got this clean short bed. Y'all tell this man finish something up and make sure he get him a camera so he could be showing y'all some footage, man. Man got this Cutlass here. Got this short bed that's clean. It's at the finish line, and he don't want to finish. This thing is at the finish line, and he don't want to finish this short bed, man. Look at the wheels on here, man. Blue still on the leather tires. Look at that. I be trying to tell him, bro. One thing at a time, man. One thing.
Mama always told me I was big.
Got this Mustang. Now, he did say, I think, is this for sale?
Yeah, that's for sale.
Yeah, once he put it all the way back together, this will be for sale. There go the fenders for the truck he purchased over there. And that's a dually he also has back here. And a Malibu he putting together. And this is just one of them. You got a total of how many Malibus? 3 or 2? Two. So he got this one and he got another Malibu that's at the body, man, right now as we speak. Man. Tell us do one thing at a time, man. One thing at a time. But yeah, we gonna be closing this video out. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. It's free. Like, share, comment, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when these vlogs dropping. And I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And stay tuned for the next upcoming vlog drop.